Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from Joe Tech Tips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I have a really interesting selfie light for your cell phone. It has the ability to be mounted on a tripod. It's very bright and lasts a long time. I've actually set this up just to burn out, turn it on and just wait for it to burn out. It took 2 hours at full brightness with both the cool white and the warm white on at the same time. That's a long time. And this thing is bright. It's called LitONES. I just got it for review. And I can't believe how freaking bright it is. So we're going to put it off to the side of the camera right here. We're going to turn it on low. So this setting is cool white on low. And we'll crank them up. Look how bright that is. You don't even need it. Just to get your point across, this is pretty great. I will change the color temperature to warm white and we'll crank it all the way up. It's not bad, man. Not bad at all. I'm very impressed with it. And then we'll do both at the same time, warm white and cool white at the same time. We'll crank that up. It's a very bright light. I'm very impressed with it. Hey Google, turn off the studio. That's cool white, this is warm white, and this is both at the same time. Okay? Big difference in color. It's absolutely a really good light. I like the fact that you can actually put it on a tripod. So if you wanted it over here or you wanted a whole bunch of them going around in a circle, I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this light. This is not an outdoor light. This is specifically for this purpose. Getting more light on the subject when you're recording. Okay, like for the cell phone, I'm not kidding you. Like some of these tripods, they have the ability to put the phone and light at the same time, and you can record. That is what this is for. And since if you're a long blogger or a vlogger or whatever you like to do, and you want to record video, you have this thing will last, like I said, 2 hours on full brightness. So if you're a long-winded vlogger, this is perfect for you. And it's really bright. I can't believe how bright this thing is. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Worth every penny. I'm impressed with the quality of the light. Again, I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this. It's amazing. Hey Google, turn on the studio.
Sure, turning on studio.
So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.